Hey guys, Brian from Workshop Addict, and we're taking a look at Milwaukee's scissor lift fan. In this case, this scissor lift fan might be worth more than our actual scissor lift, but this guy comes in handy. But let me tell you, as you know, if you're on scissor lifts, it can get hot when you're working up in ceilings. Most guys just take these Milwaukee fans, they have them sitting on the ground. This fan can also sit on the floor if you'd like to, but it has a great clamping system here that you can clamp it to just about anything, be it a round bar, you can put it on an angle, and it also has a neat little thing that you can pull the kind of quick release the screw. It's an interesting situation. 19.5 mile an hour wind, 750 CFM. If we turn it on, it's pretty quiet on low. As we get up a little bit, it gets to be a little bit more noisy, but the wind that is pushing is pretty serious. I mean, if we look at what it's doing here, it's pushing some wind around. It can move all around 360 degrees of swivel. This swivel is going to stop at 360, and then you're gonna have to go back the other way. You got almost 180 on the other swivel. Well, you do have 180, almost a little more. Nice to have if you are up in the air. 5 amp hour battery on this guy. On full is gonna last around 3.5 hours. I hate to say it, I'd pop a larger forge on this guy, run this thing on high and enjoy it. Comes with a tether, so you can be completely OSHA straight with that stuff. I think that's good. Very cool little fan, $199, model number 0817-20, and that is bare tool. If you work often on a scissor lift, you know this is something that you're going to need. So talk to the company purchasing agent, get this guy bought. I'm always interested in your comments, leave them below. Also, give us a like in this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.